This is not fun to do, dog. Oh, God. What up, man? It's your boy, Lil Rapper. Make sure y'all get the album. The dope album coming out September 24th, man. It's gonna be a banger, man. Yo, today is the day. Actually, make it last almost 2 weeks. So I'm gonna pull out my hair and I'll still. Then me I go barber. Get, you know, freshened up a little bit. You know what I mean? And then come back home, come wash my hair, and also edit the vlog from yesterday. That's what we gonna do, blood. I am your granddaddy. Yeah, this is how it reads. So I just told my pull out. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, what, 5 more to go. I'm asking you something. People will grow hair and them thing they. Is this normal? Is that a normal amount of hair that I say would have come out of me head? Mark, you not done yet, so I'm gonna show you when they done and make me know. Just a one knife. Here supposed to go so. But then again it did flat up and you know here I go break and here I go drop out. It just look like too much here that I drop out of my head for me. Think one beat I look here a little bit, you know. I wanna say. Beat I look here. Think I hit this man.
I'm mascot.
Yeah, them I go crazy, brother.
No!
Got some more here.
That's 77?
Nah. But the things that the style before, but this look like I hit.
Raw born idiot.
No, this look like a, yeah. No, I hit this. And yeah, what you talking about? Streets mad again. Yo, see it there? I hit that.
Circus you want.
As it relates to our hair, you know what I mean? That's where we're at. Still trying to figure out if this is a healthy amount of hair or should I be concerned? Yeah. I hit that. But I just want to go barber see him when so I make him take off all of the small pieces where no need for that right now. As for the hair situation, I don't comb my hair yet, and a while ago I go so you know, just I go and play with the top and I pull it up. And then some more come out. I don't know, maybe normal, you know what I mean? But anyways, the whole reason of me growing my hair and all these things is for, you know, because we know so one day, you know, in genetics where the hair is no longer going to be there. When I go bald and them thing there. So just I go and use up a year while it's there, and at the same time we I change up a look, you know. The years I don't know me with bald and them thing there. They used to have all on like a ponytail. I don't remember that. I don't remember them thing there. Because the fun time we did it for a long time I remember like a ponytail I they have. It's not look like a whole heap. Now that it's together like that.
Something alright, yeah.
We're not gonna talk about what you just see. I'm gonna talk about it, you know. No, man. I have to know them style, you know. I have to know them style, you see me? But I can't say I never teach you nothing. If you're there in your yard and you know, roll on, no, none of that. And you want to smell clean same way, use the air freshener. Remember, say air freshener, you know, you spray it in your ear, you inhale it in your lungs. So you must can't put it on your clothes, you see me? Mark, you may have my axe, you know, spray on my axe. But when you want my clothes smell fresher, so when you learn that style, bookmark it for later. Let's say you not use it. All I say is if it's good for going in your lungs when you spray it in your ear, it must be good enough to go up on your clothes. My right arm, right. You ever yell up somebody and you think you them attack, but I ain't really you them attack. But you yell them up already, so you have to just make it go on. Now the man when me yell up, I didn't think of me attack, but he end up yell me back. But I still believe you never me. Same thing when I'm afraid of is that I come and the barber and I reach. And you know, I might not tell myself to call him and I say, no, I'm not call him. I have to go end up call him now. So the barber say it's going to be about the next hour. And as you can hear it, I'm somewhere different, you know? I'm there out from the water, if you understand. But they're probably not going to hear me, I'm not supposed to hear me because it's extremely windy. But I just go and wait for the next hour. It's nice and cool and yeah, we're there, man. Long time we don't come here, we're there. How fat body after that? How to be a creep on the one. I may just found a new venture to partake in. The boss I collect plastic buckle them. I'm gonna do some research on this big piece dropping anywhere we go. And the people may just beat the bush. They find someone to wash me hand, or the nigga could just wash me hand in the seawater. Fuck it. I don't know if that's good or what, but I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna do it now. Come on, that's all water. I'll slide, man. I'll slide, brother. Slide, man. I'll slide, brother. Alright, cool. So nobody can violate or send me pee a bush and wash my hand. I'm heading back to the barber shop. I wonder if the man they did a recycle because he left some buckles but him take up some. And the buckle him where him left at the same brand as some of the buckle him where him take up. So now I wonder if it was for like, maybe I like them people that were selling soap. You know? Oh, this looks pretty. Oh shit! Or a recycle. I don't know, but I'm still gonna do my little research and see if what the recycling thing is in Jamaica. Because I could make some extra money.
That's rich.
See it then, man. Remember good now? I got me out there now. Yo, I kind of have a feeling for a party, so I'm gonna try to find a party somewhere. Go back to mash down. Now I wonder if I go back to the beach side to build back. I don't know, I feel like I want to go over there go chill. See what I go on there, man. In the gas station up there, so I did I watch somebody else's vlog. I can't remember her name. It was a female. I was watching her vlog and I see that they have patties in there. And I'm like, yo, I never knew they sold patties in that joint. So you see, us YouTubers, even when we now try promote things, like the promotion just happen naturally. Because now I'm gonna go check and they're gonna get a sale from me if they have patties in there, and it's all because I saw it on somebody's vlog. And it's not like she was promoting it, she just got to go get food, and the sun kind of warm, you know. Earlier when we did a walk, I never did feel as much because the breeze did a blow, but I not getting a breeze. So I kind of a pelt. And I want to walk home or what. Turn out they do have the patty. I get 2 beef and I drop some cheese in it. I miss driving. But I'm not gonna lie, I do not mind walking. Especially under these circumstances, you know, you have some trees to cover your head, breeze a blow. I feel the breeze again, the breeze come back a little bit ish. And it's just beautiful, you know. I don't mind it. I want to know where the yellow and black checkered places are. You know some places you have white, that means a safe park. Yellow, that means a no parking. So what does this mean? The yellow and black. I have to go Google it. It mean say only like certain type of vehicles are allowed to park there. I'm gonna go Google it. Remember me did I say I don't mind take it back on the side of the road, a different something I going over here, so I don't know why I cross. I take it back, bro. I'm melting in this place. Help me, please. No cap. I always gotta have my cap. You know I can't live without my hat. I remember where that song they go. Jamaican people funny, you know. Man just pull up at a man food place a while ago and say, oh, let me get the food there, man. And God come, me pay feet. Jamaican people are nothing, brother. Look like we never call them Indian people. Them actually come sort it out. Captain Jamaica 1, deplorable road conditions 0. Maybe not deplorable road conditions, but in a way they kind of stop the road from getting badder, right? Because that make a pothole and all them. So in a way, but Captain Jamaica 1, wasting of water 0. That I write things like 0. I don't know, but all I know said we gone one. We gone one, yes, sir. I don't know who gone 0, but we gone one. You don't want to help. I don't know if she answer. But I never did that gear done anyway, because I'm a dirty boy. Hazard marker signs consist of diagonal stripes on yellow background, but under that we are talking about, yes, sir. The information we look for is regarding the sidewalk and the stripe and bunny. I mean, I search around, but I don't see nothing. So it look like it's either maybe it don't mean nothing, or maybe it means something, but I don't see it on the internet yet. So if you know what I mean, let me know. Comment, let me know there. I deal with some chicken here, so. Some chicken breast. So what I'm going to strip off the meat off of it. You know, so that it's big enough to form a burger. Like I always do. And then maybe the burger they are going to be for dinner. Maybe like Saturday, Sunday. Because I still have a piece of barbecue chicken left. Mash down that with some fries later on. But this, you know, we get some lettuce a while ago. We have tomato and there's cheese. Which I should probably stay away from, but them there can be free burger. We get the hamburger buns. Not the ones that I was looking for. I wanted the bigger ones. But them maybe they have the last time and you know they were alright. And them one here I gonna last longer. The date on I think maybe like the 18th, 16th, something of the sort. This now I go just season it up and make it chill in our fridge. What I wanted to do was get a milk so I can make the homemade buttermilk. But then when I go check my wallet I realize I never have enough money and I might need to go do some other things with the money in my wallet. So I wait first before I spend that. So yeah, I'm home. I go take off them clothes, hot, sticky, wash off my face and deal with them beef patty here, you see me? You never do this yet? Put ketchup on the patty? No? No, patty me say, patty. Put ketchup on the patty. Alright, I gotta make my phone charge now, cause be a violation, I go on. People me there saw stream. I may try to deal with the thing the right way for the fans. No, look at this. Flo, we need to have a conversation because the unstable internet thing, Ethernet card me I used to, you know. Ethernet, me hook it up. And at this me I feel I go through them thing, I just lily up the thing and the fans them I got jump. Flo, we need to have a talk. Cause them, this is not it. Why me internet a drop so much? This no make no sense. And these are the only thing where it a run pan. But I mean, buy some data to blouse and skirt. Yo, you know what I said? You see that them thing it burn me heart sometimes when I have to deal with them thing in Jamaica and brother. Like why me can't just have decent internet rasta? First of all, fans big up on themselves stay in our chat. You understand? All the people in my day are stay una the real MVP. One Irish Spring soap. Guess the price of that? Blouses. Every link. You clap that one there right on the head, brother. Oh, well, that'll be an Irish Spring you use. Yeah, them thing are demotivated, you know, watch it again. Internet not cut off again, brother. It probably come up back, you know, but big up to the fans, them. You see the K2K fans, them will stick and stay in our chat and them thing. They big up on themselves, man. Big up on us. Flo? Wagwan! Why me have, why cannot? The internet for more stable. Me not care if how much megabyte me order. The internet for more stable. This not supposed to happen. The internet not supposed to drop. So every time, especially when me dip on the Ethernet card, una lily up me thing. Every 30 seconds the internet drop. I feel like I just want to go slide in a box, brother. Them thing, you know. This is not fun to do, dog. Oh God, what is this? And the thing is that me have to manually reset the internet at times. You see, if it would have just reset itself every single time, then that would have good. It's wicked when I try something new in a world and yeah, this is what you have to go through. But I learn my lesson still. I learn my lesson. Yo, I'm not even in a chat for 30 seconds. Good. The internet cut off. But then again, how the data thing would have worked? I probably chunk or a good portion of data if I try. I know say still a run. Everybody else good enough because they have good internet, but Vligity vlog. We're gonna just end it this. We get about an hour out of it between the cutting in and out of the internet. So I'm gonna save this now up on the YouTube channel so we can download it, edit it up, upload it. This I can go back here. I just want to make sure say we end the stream. Alright, the stream never end, people, but you don't know, I kept it too crazy. Think it, believe it, I live to achieve it. Pick up on yourself, me gone now. I end it, can flow and ramp with me. You understand me? Pick up on yourself. Alright, look at more. Regardless of how the situation turn out, with the internet going up and down and dropping every time I'm in there. One thing I'm proud of, like I'm proud of the fact that I actually executed the idea. It's one thing when you have an idea and it's there, but then to execute it, that's the real thing, man. And I think I feel proud of myself that I executed the idea. So so the vlog again for tonight. I think I bother eat the chicken when we did have the baked chicken. We have one of the patty left. So I think I'll just eat that. Pick up on yourself for tuning into the vlog, and I never get a vlog today, which means you should be getting vlog back to back to back. Because I have the one we never drop, and then the one from yesterday, and then today's vlog. When we get the behind the scenes of the nonsense with flow when I try stream. But I'm proud of myself for doing it, for carrying out the idea. I love the fact that I actually carry out the idea. And for all the people who are always tuning in to the vlog, appreciate it. Alright? Take care of yourself. Who for that, how they want to come do me head for me? They don't want to do. Come over.